This video will demonstrate how to replace the tumbler on the Twister T4 trimmer. You won't need any hand tools for this process. Start by removing the hopper. To remove the belt cover, just loosen the knob and take it away. Next is disengaging the drive wheel. Pull out and twist the locking pin 90 degrees. Pull down a little bit on the piston and rotate the locking pin back to where it started. Now continue pulling down the piston until the locking pin falls into place, locking the drive wheel away from the tumbler. Now we can remove the tumbler. Be careful and support it with both hands to avoid any damage. When reinserting the tumbler, the brush creates a little pressure against the side, so use your hand to pull it into alignment as you feed it through. Align the drive wheel with the groove on the tumbler, then release the locking pin to let the drive wheel come back into contact with the tumbler. When in the correct position, this should all move together smoothly. Install the belt cover and tighten the belt cover knob. Reinstall the hopper and your Twister T4 trimmer is ready to use again.